Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you a simple tutorial on how to add a photo to a video in Capcut. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. To begin, open the Capcut application and create a new project. Now, select the video on which you want to add a photo. I'll choose this one for the demonstration. Click Add, and there you have your video in the timeline. Now, the magic happens. Look at the bottom toolbar, you'll find various options like Edit, Audio, Text, Stickers, and our desired one, Overlay. Click on Overlay. Next, click Add Overlay. Choose the photo you want to add from your gallery. Click Add, and there you go, the photo has been added to your video. Want to add a bit of flair? You can animate the photo. Head over to the animation options. There are various types available. Choose one that suits your style. You can also adjust the timeline to control when the animation starts and ends. Play around with it until you're satisfied. And that's it. Your photo is seamlessly added to the video. Feel free to explore other options like text, stickers, or any other edits you might want to make. Capcut offers a range of features to make your videos unique. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.